Have you ever noticed that on some websites a text box will appear when you place the cursor on certain images and headings and leave it there for a few seconds? You'll see now if I place the cursor on this image of Fifi, it says it has some text there that says what's in that picture. That hidden text is called an alt tag, or if you want to be absolutely technically correct, it's called an alt attribute. And alt tags are important because they allow screen readers to translate that hidden text into speech and voice what is in the picture for blind and visually impaired people who cannot see it. So this short video clip is going to show you how you can create alt tags for your own website. I'm going to move to another part that hasn't had alt tags put in, and you'll see here we have a little cartoon of a girl listening to her MP3 player. So what you need to do to start out with is you need to go up to the top of the page and click on Edit Page, and then the editor opens up. We then move back down to the image itself, place the cursor on the image and click once, and then go up to the toolbar here and click on the Edit HTML Source. What this does is this shows you the code that's used, the HTML code that's used to create this section of the web page. Now what you need to do here is define where the image begins, and that may not be particularly easy, but you'll see coming in here the words image anchor, and then you see the IMG, which indicates a chevron, an IMG, and that indicates where the image starts. So that bit of code until you come to the next reverse chevron, which is down here, all of that's required to define the image, its width, etc., etc. And what you're going to do here is add a little bit of HTML code. So you find where it says IMG, you leave a space, you insert the cursor as I've done here, and you type in ALT. Don't worry if it's capital or lowercase, that's not important. ALT equals quotation mark, and then you type in whatever the text is. So I'm going to say cartoon of little girl listening to an MP3 player turned up too loud. Then you close off your text with another quotation mark and leave a space. Now that's really all you do. So basically you find where it says IMG, you leave a space, you type in alt equals quotation marks, the text of your caption or your alt tag, close the quotation marks, and then give a space, and all you have to do then is simply update it here. And we must also make sure that we close the editor by saving that. And you'll notice now that once that's done, when we place the cursor over this image, we get that hidden text that we just created. Okay, that's all there is to making alt tags.